Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I'm pretty excited. I was just sent this. This is actually a nice wireless LED lamp that you can use to highlight pictures or things in your office or your home kitchen, anywhere you want to have a nice wireless LED lamp. These lamps are super cool because they are adjustable. When you mount them up, you actually can adjust this. It's made of a very nice fit and finish, nice wide LED display, and it's easy to mount. I'm going to show you how to do that, but I also wanted to show you what else comes in the box here. They're going to send you with two remotes, which is great because you could, if you're in a bedroom, you could do one on each side of a bed. They work really well. These remotes have functions to allow you to turn on these lights. They can then adjust the brightness levels up to 10%, up to 100% using the brightness setting there. They also have the ability to change it from a warm light to a cool light to a daylight. So it gives you anywhere from, I think, about 1,500 up to about 6,000 on the color scale there. So you're going to be able to get exactly what you want. And then they also have the timer function. So you want to set it for 15 minutes up to an hour. You can easily set that, and it will go ahead and set that. It has a nice memory function. Now, they've sent me two different colors. They are sold individually. This one here is a brass finish, which is the one I'm going to be mounting on the wall. They also come in a nice powder-coated black finish one as well. It is nice to know that the remotes for any one of these actually operate any of the lights simultaneously. If you wanted to have multiples, that can easily do that, so you can turn them all on using one remote, which is a really nice feature. They last about 14 hours when they're just burning on continuously, so you can let them burn all day, all night, whatever, for the 14 hours. They do charge up using this USB-C cable, plugs into the USB-A and simply plugs into the side of the lamp. Very simple to do so, and that will charge up. Takes about 4 hours for a full charge on that. And to mount these, we're going to go out there and show you how we're going to get them mounted and show you how beautiful this fixture can be when it's on the wall. So to mount this is very easy. They give you a back plate here that's going to allow you to pull off and remove this with ease. We wanted to highlight some of this in our kitchen, so this is going to work out great because I don't have an outlet near here, so a battery operated light is exactly what we're needing. To install this, you're simply going to either use the provided screws, or they also have provided anchors that you can put in the wall, and you can simply put those in, and we're just going to screw those directly in to the wall. Once that's mounted on the wall, the back side of this actually has two holes that are able to be hooked on. We're just going to simply put it on and hook this on. Once this is mounted on the wall, you then have the ability to adjust this. This is going to highlight everything real nice. And since you've got that remote, you have the ability to turn that on and illuminate the things down below, which works out great. Again, all these functions are great. Now, that kit did come with the mounting hardware, came with two remotes, which again, absolutely love the fact that it came with two remotes. It did come with a set of gloves. If you're wanting to do that when you're installing this, it came with that as well, and an instruction guide that came there too. So everything here was very simple, very easy to put together. It's a very high quality product. I can tell just from actually utilizing it. So if you're looking for a nice wireless remote controlled light for some artwork, this may just be your ticket.